Hey guys, it's time to enhance your automobile with some very stunning gadgets. We are going to talk about 8 stunning car gadgets and tools that are going to be useful in your car. All product URLs are provided in the description box, so let's get started. Number 1. Fonticate Tire Inflator. With the Fonticate Apex Tire Inflator, you can keep your travels rolling. It swiftly inflates tires and has a maximum pressure of 150 psi thanks to a built-in high-performance microprocessor. Its big LCD dual display shows both the real-time and preset pressure values. Furthermore, its outstanding airflow of 32 L per minute allows it to pump a road bike tire in 14 seconds or a 205/55 R16 vehicle tire in less than 6 minutes. Its rechargeable 7800 mAh battery does not require an external power supply and may operate wirelessly for up to 40 minutes. This makes it perfect for inflating tires on automobiles, motorcycles, and bicycles, as well as balls and other inflatables. It won't let you down with 5 preset modes and an auto cut-off option. Number 2. Spotify Car. Do you ever wish you could listen to your favorite tunes, news, or entertainment channels while driving on a single little device? With the Spotify Car Thing Smart Music Player, you can. This in-car technology responds to your orders via voice control. It plays music, news, and entertainment while simultaneously answering calls and doing other things. Simply say, "Hey Spotify," and then request a song, album, or podcast to listen to while driving. Alternatively, use the slider to go to the music and playlists that make you happy. Designed for Spotify fans, it requires a premium subscription to provide ad-free listening with no interruptions. Furthermore, Spotify Car Thing has a clever display that takes up little space and gives you exactly what's playing, what's coming up, and more. It's a great alternative for cars missing a smart screen, and it doesn't require any laborious. Number 3. WOLF Box 12 Mirror Dash Cam. Whether you're a newber driver or just like the high-tech version of everything, this updated mirror dash cam is the ideal alternative for your old-school rearview mirror. In addition to collecting front and back film at 1080p, it offers a better vision at night owing to its built-in Sony StarVis sensor, which is capable of capturing anything no matter what hour you're driving. Wolf Box, at an astonishing 12 wide, ensures that you'll have no trouble backing up into any parking spot owing to its hybrid dashcam and mirror. Number 4. Number 2.0 Magnetic Car. Using the Number 2.0 magnetic vehicle vent phone mount, you can keep your iPhone where you want it while driving. Use it while driving to speak, navigate, and listen to music while avoiding distractions. This versatile magnetic vehicle phone holder features an ultra-strong magnet. It's a vehicle phone holder, an air freshener, a fidget toy, a phone stand, and a piece of animated decor all rolled into one. Furthermore, this provides some levity to the inside of your car. Fill it with your favorite essential oil to fill your car with a perfume you enjoy. It may be attached directly to iPhones and later without the use of a MagSafe. It supports 360 rotation and fits for all car vents and smartphones with accessories. Finally, simply hold it in your hand and use it to relax at the end of a tough day. Number 5. Bella India IRSCA GPS Tracker. While you must always know where your keys are, the same is true for your vehicle. This 54 grams PS tracker may be mounted to any vehicle and tracks it in real time using Google Maps. Whether you're a worried parent seeking for your family's newly licensed driver, a warehouse manager eagerly anticipating the next delivery, or lost in a parking lot looking for your own car, this little plug-and-play gadget has your back. Number 6. Cell Phone Signal Booster. If you ever find yourself trapped in a distant region, this useful device will come in helpful. It will expand the range of your phone signal and might be your lifeline to seeking help. This WeBoost device is compatible with Verizon, T-Mobile, and all other cellular providers, and it is 5G ready, so it is ready to go as soon as you are. It's also fantastic when you're not trapped. It will assist your phone in dropping less calls, activating better hotspots even in remote areas, and providing a speedier internet connection. Number 7. Oak and Iron 1 Pro Portable Tire Inflator. The Oak and Iron 1 Pro Portable Tire Inflator provides amazing power. It has an amazing motor speed technology and can carry up to 400 days of standby power. This is due to its 10,400 mAh rechargeable lithium battery, which can run continuously for up to 45 minutes. It also shows real-time information on its 3.2-inch LED display. As a result, you may view tire pressure, battery life, inflation modes, and product information. In addition, its well-designed heat dissipation system incorporates 12 mm of increased airspace on the button and enhanced cooling fans to improve cooling efficiency. With a 3-minute inflation time and 5 distinct settings, it quickly fills a 195/65 or 15 tire from 0% to 100%. Finally, it comes with two 14-inch extra-long air hoses that are press-on and twist-on and a 100-lumen LED light. Number 8. Auto Buff. Rather of paying to have your vehicle professionally cleaned, the Auto Buff is a cordless, dual-action auto polisher that will take your car detailing to new heights. With 3,800 OPM oscillations per minute for vigorous and effective buffing, it's a light, easy-to-handle tool weighing only 2.8 pounds. Compounding, polishing, and finishing are all possible with its 3.5-inch pads. The battery lasts 45 minutes. Thank you for watching to this point. Make sure you like and subscribe to KingzTech channel. I'll see you in the next video.